The Audi S3 sedan sits between the practical and attractive A3 and the powerful and track-ready 401 horsepower RS3. The attractive, conservative look of this tiny, all-wheel drive sedan complements its rotary turbocharged 4-cylinder. For the 2025 S3, Audi added 22 horsepower and 15 pound-feet to reach 328 horsepower and 310 pound-feet. There are several other changes, including engine management software to address engine response issues. A sweet new drift mode and chassis tweaks are meant to improve its handling. The S3's story has always been about its extraordinary balance, not only in appearance and performance but also in its attractive interior, which integrates current tech with decent material quality without looking forced or garish. A sleek and practical compact luxury sedan with a sporty side, it can cut and sprint but won't beat you up every day with a rough ride or booming exhaust tone. Being enthusiast-friendly makes it one of our favorites in a class of fun-to-drive automobiles. New in 2025? The S3 gets a carefully selected set of performance-boosting tweaks. The turbocharged 2.0-liter inline-4 produces 328 horsepower and 310 pound-feet of torque, up 22 and 15. The chassis, driveline, and software are massaged, including a new torque split system on the rear axle that uses 2 clutch packs to vary output between the rear wheels, akin to the RS3. Front-end changes include larger brakes with 2 piston calipers, altered geometry with variable camber curves, and retuned steering. Which to buy and pricing? The 2025 Audi S3 costs $49,995 to $56,195, depending on specification and extras.